MongoDB is a document-oriented database program and classified NoSQL database products, usage, JSON documents, and CRUD operations. Browser open, search box lo MongoDB download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display mongodb.com. MongoDB community server download first link, mouse left click. MongoDB redirectory official web page complete display. In middle section lo mouse scroll down. MongoDB community server download section lo scroll down. MongoDB latest version 8.0.5 right side down arrow click. Previous versions display. Present 8.0.5 select. Second one platform Windows x64 bit default set. Third one package MSI Microsoft installer. 3 options default set, download green color button select. Download section lo MongoDB -Windows -x86_64 latest version 8.0.5 signed.msi Microsoft installer.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 719 MB. Wait and here few minutes until processing completing. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Blue color highlighted words open file option select, mouse left click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Preparing to install. Browser minimize. MongoDB latest version 8.0.5 20082 plus SSL server side license 64-bit architecture and setup window lo second button next click. End-user license agreement lo please read the following license agreement carefully. Complete info in middle section window. Left side bottom section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement box lo tick mark set, mouse left click. Third button next click. Choose setup type. Middle section lo 2 options display. First one complete, second one custom. Mongo shell also install must. Direct button download now. First button complete click. Service configuration specify optional settings to configure MongoDB as a service. Default options set. Install MongoDB as a server tick mark set and default first option run service as network service user. Account name MongoDB, service name MongoDB and data directory. Default location path display in box. Local disk C, program files, MongoDB, newly created folder and server folder, latest version 8.0 and data. Next to log directory, a related path display in box. Default set, second button next click. Install MongoDB Compass. Compass is GUI graphical user interface in left side bottom. Install MongoDB Compass. Default tick mark set, second button next click. Ready to install MongoDB, second button install click. Install MongoDB latest version 8.0.5 2008 or 2 plus SSL 64-bit supported application. Please wait while the setup was install MongoDB. Status lo checking process. MSI window lo first button yes click. Next status uploading component register files. Wait and here few minutes. After installation process completed, welcome to Compass tool. Green color button start click. MongoDB Compass complete interface white color theme display. Welcome to MongoDB Compass. Create any individual databases. add new connections, present system environment variables lo path creation, minimize, completed the MongoDB setup was second button finish click, desktop MongoDB compass shortcut icon display, desktop file explorer document open, left side this PC option select, first one local disk C open, program files third folder open, MongoDB folder open, select double click open, and server open, 8.0 folder open, first one folder bin open, copy this path top section lo address bar, mouse left click select, mouse right click, third option copy, minimize folder, Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables, enter, first option select, system properties window lo right side bottom section lo last button environment variable click, second option system variables section path select, second button edit click, right side top section lo new button select, mouse right click paste, OK click and OK click, to Windows search box lo CMD type, first option command prompt select, successful installation checking process MongoDB, enter the text command MongoD space -- version, enter key press, installation version latest DB version 8.0.5, complete build info display, next close shell window, browser reopen, next Mongo sh installation, left side tools options select, MongoDB shell default selected option in left side, right side middle section lo MongoDB shell download, mouse scroll down, first one version latest version 2.4.0 default set to platform, second one Windows x64 and OS 10 plus, package section lo zip right side down arrow click, first one MSI select, download click, downloads section lo Mongo sh -2.4.0 latest version 64-bit architecture MSI install, downloading process completed, next installation setup process, open file select, open file security warning window lo first button run click, preparing to install, browser minimize, MongoDB shell setup window lo welcome to the MongoDB shell setup wizard, second button next click, destination folder install DB shell 2 default path display in box, select this path, keyboard shortcut key Control C, second button next click, ready to install MongoDB shell, second button install click, please wait while the setup wizard install MongoDB shell, process completed the Mongo shell setup wizard, finish click, next file explorer document open, address bar lo mouse left click, keyboard shortcut key Control V, enter press, Mongo shell installation folder path and display, copy this Mongo sh select, mouse right click copy, local disk C drive select, program files open, MongoDB folder open, server folder open, 8.0 folder open, bin folder open, mouse right click paste, continue click, Mongo sh open. పర్సనల్ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ అనేది ఇందులో చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ కమాండ్ అనేది ఎంటర్ చేయాలి, షో స్పేస్ DBS ఎంటర్ కీ ప్రెస్ చేయాలి,